Welcome back to Python programming. In this session, we will discuss further about the list. So one of the important aspect of list is the slicing of the list. So we'll discuss about how can I create a list from a existing list, or how can I cut a list to create another list. So myself Raghu Prasad Konandur, your instructor for this course. Suppose I have a list. So when I have a list like you have the list could be of any type. So this is a list having the string and the, yeah, it is basically a string, and then list can have a list within a list. So now the question is, how can I access the list? And also we do simple programming with reference to the list. And in order to slice a list, then we can use the indexes. So indexes could be positive index or it could be negative index. So let us take an example of a list, and then we will try to see how can we access the elements of a list. We have already seen the many list operations and then list methods. So let us get into the programming of slicing. So far we have done up to program is 11. Now let me start with program 10. Well, so slicing a list. So this is multi-line comments. Let us again take the example of marks. So these are the marks scored by a student in a test. So now let us slice this. So now I want to get, as you know, like in order to get the element 20, so you have to use the index. The index starts with positive index starts with 0, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So like this. So let us get the index. So print index value at index 0, or element at index 0, right? So how we have to do marks of 0. So this is what is the index, and if I print this, I would be getting the element 20. So what if I want to get the first three elements in the list? So in order to do so, you can use the slicing like say 0 colon. You start with 0, 0, 1, 2, but the index you have to add one more to it in order to get the first three. That means 0, 1, 2, 3. Let us say 3. So now let me say print extract first three elements in a list. To extract that, we have to say marks of. So we are starting with 0 colon and then 0th index, first index, second index, third index. So that is the index plus 1. Whatever the element up to you have to extract, you have to add one more to it. So this is how you can get here 20, 30, 50. What if I want to extract the last three elements? So last three elements, there are two ways. One is using a length you can do, or giving the indexes. So let me say print extract last three elements in the list, in a list. So here in this particular list, the marks of, we have to start with the starting index. What is the starting index? Say 0, 1, 2. This is 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 6 we have to say. 3 to 6. One index plus 1. So this is how you can extract the elements. Right? So you got 19. You can see the result on the right hand side. 19, 25, 22. And also you can use alternatively the length. Suppose if the indexes, if the list is too much, it is very difficult to count the last index. So then extract last three elements in the list, in a list, means in this particular list another way. So you can say length of, you can say length of the list. What is length of the list is length of marks. So this way also you can get, because length is a count. Count is nothing but, say here it is the exact count, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many elements are there? That is what is length. So as it says it's 6, this is same as this. So this is an alternative way of extracting the elements. Right? We can also use the negative indexes. I will show you the negative index and the positive index with the digital board. So let me take the same thing, same example, and put it into my digital board. Okay, see now I have to extract this negative index. So what is the negative index? What is the positive index? I will tell you. See, this is positive index. It starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? This is a positive index. So negative index all the time starts from right to left. That is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So this is -1 and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. So we can also say, if I want to extract the last element, I can say there are two ways. One is I can say marks of 5 positive index, or I could say marks of -1. So this is also I can. Suppose if I have to extract the last three elements using the negative way of doing this. So then what I can do, I can say marks of, it starts with -3, -3, and you can say -1 or 0, or you can go about saying the length. Okay, or you can say length of this, length of the marks, right? And or you want to extract the first three elements, so negative index, you can say marks of, it starts with -6, so it's -6, -6 to, see, -3 you can say. Like this also you can extract. So -6 to -3 means you will get 20, 30, 15. So these are the indexes. So in this way, you can use either positive index or negative index. Let us take that example and let us do it on the spider. So print, extract element, starting element using negative index. So using a negative index. So what I can do is I can say marks of, so -6. See, that is I got 20. So like this I can do, extract first three elements. So same thing, first three elements in a list using negative index. Using negative index. So that is -6 colon, so -6, so 6, -5, -4, -3. Like this, you can extract. This is how you can use either the positive index or the negative index. In this way, we can use this. Okay, hope you understood this. Please follow along with me and to practice. The only way to do it is to open and Spider or any other this thing, and then you have to practice. Thanks for watching this. Next, we will start with the some of the programming using the indexes. Okay, or sorry, using the list, and then that would be very interesting. So we will also get the user inputs, and then we will create the list in the next sessions.